Is this the lake?
Come on, Snake.
It's so pretty. We gotta kill boss.
We made it.
We made it.
Over there.
I don't feel good, chat. Something doesn't feel right.
It's the boss, isn't it? I'll go get the wig ready to take off.
Right.
I'll leave you two alone. But come back in one piece, okay?
I don't like this.
Promise me!
One Piece. The One Piece! The One Piece is real! I feel such a pit in my stomach right now.
It was November 1st, 1951. I was in the Nevada desert participating in atomic testing. The name Nevada is derived from Spanish, covered in snow, white as snow. And snow is exactly what I saw in that Nevada desert. It froze my blood white.
It's built different.
Snake, you were an atomic test subject, weren't you? On Bikini Atoll. That's part of the reason I was drawn to you. You and I are alike. We're both slowly being eaten away by the karma of others. We'll never have the chance to die peacefully of old age. We have no tomorrow. But we can still have hope for the future. In 1960, I saw a vision of the ideal future from space. 3 years earlier, the Soviet Union had succeeded in launching Sputnik.
I'm gonna be strong.
The
I'm gonna be
first
strong.
man-made
I'm
satellite
strong.
in
I'm strong.
history
I'm
into
fine.
orbit.
I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry.
This came as a huge shock to the United States.
Not yet.
In response, America threw everything it had into its own manned spaceflight project, the Mercury program. The government wanted human data. So they secretly decided to send a human being into space. I was the one they chose. At the time, they didn't have the technology to block out cosmic rays, and whoever they sent up would inevitably be exposed to heavy radiation. That's why they chose me. After all, I'd already been irradiated once. Of course, you won't find any of this in the history books. I could see the planet as it appeared from space. That's when it finally hit me. Space exploration is nothing but another game in the power struggle between the US and the USSR. Politics, economics, the arms race, they're all just arenas for meaningless competition. I'm sure you can see that, but the Earth itself has no boundaries. No East, no West, no Cold War.
Oh fuck,
And
this
the
kinda hits
irony
hard.
of it is, the United States and the Soviet Union are spending billions on their space programs and the missile race, only to arrive at the same conclusion. In the 21st century, everyone will be able to see that we are all just inhabitants of a little celestial body called Earth.
I'm not gonna cry yet. I'm not gonna cry yet.
A world without communism or
I won't cry yet.
capitalism. That
I
is
won't
the
cry
world
yet.
I wanted to see.
I won't cry yet.
But reality continued to betray me.
I won't cry yet. I can't cry.
In
The tears are coming out.
1961,
But I
was
won't
sent to
cry.
Cuba,
I won't cry.
to Bahia de
The
Cochinos.
tears fell, but I won't cry.
You see, I am the last remaining child of the philosophers. But after he revealed the truth, my father was killed by that same shapeless, formless organization. And my father isn't the only thing the philosophers
No
have
wonder
taken from me.
she'd defect. Holy shit.
I gave birth on the field of battle. A beautiful baby boy.
Oh no.
But my child was snatched away from me by the philosophers.
Oh my fucking god.
Look at this scar. This is proof that I was once a mother. I gave up my body and my child for my country. There is nothing left inside me now. Nothing at all. No hatred, not even regret.
I'm not gonna cry.
And yet sometimes at night, I can still feel the pain creeping up inside me, slithering through my body like a snake.
I'm not gonna cry yet.
I've never talked this much about myself before. Thanks. Thanks for listening to me.
No.
I feel content. Snake. Commence the operation. I raised you. I loved you. I've given you weapons, taught you techniques, endowed you with knowledge. There is nothing more for me to give. All that's left for you to take is my life. By your own hand. One must die, and one must live. No victory, no defeat. The survivor will carry on the fight. It is our destiny. The one who survives will inherit the title of boss. And the one who inherits the title of boss will face an existence of endless battle. I'll give you 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, MiGs will come and bomb the hell out of this place. If you can beat me in less than 10 minutes, you'll be able to escape in time. Let's make this the greatest 10 minutes of our lives, Jack.
Boss.
You're a soldier. Finish your mission. Prove your loyalty. Face me. Let's see what you're made of.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. No, not yet. Maybe a break? No, wait. We gotta do this. No, I. Ah! Alright, remember the LB. Alright. Boss. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Jack. Or should I say, Snake. You're a wonderful man. Kill me. Kill me now. Do it. There's only room for one boss and one snake.
No. 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 River's prison? My fucking god. I don't even... I feel empty. I feel empty. I don't... What is even the point? What was even the point?
Ready to go, Snake?
Yeah. He's free now, but
Are you okay?
everything just feels...
Snake?
Yeah.
You know, my vampire always said one thing, that if he had one wish, he'd send all the leaders of the world up on like a spaceship and make them look at the Earth, so I feel like that part really...
I told you you could
as
trust
soon as I
me.
heard that... as soon as I heard that, I... What are you doing here? Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! This isn't the time! Read the room. Fuck you. Fuck you. I can't put you up. What the? Why won't you just let me cry? Fuck! I can't put you right now. What the fuck? Oh my god, this is... Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. 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 Oh.